Little fifth graders, solve that problem. You know what to do. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. Remember, little fifth graders, you must first find the least common denominator, which should have been easy, 16. You know 16 times 1 is 16. You know with 2, eventually you're going to get to times 8, which is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 times 8 is 8. 16 times 1 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3. When you subtract, the denominator stays the same, and then you subtract the numerators. 8 minus 3 is 5. Then you must ask yourself the two questions. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes, it is. 5/16 is your answer. The next one. 7/8 minus 2/3. Solve that problem. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. All right, we've got to find the least common denominator, which in this case would be 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 8 is 16. And so now we must subtract. Remember, denominator stays the same. 21 minus 16 equals 5. And there you have it, you little fifth graders. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes, it is. 5/24 is your answer. Easy, easy, easy. Now, let's practice some addition of fractions. 1/3 plus 1/5. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. 1/3 plus 1/5. All right, first thing you had to do was find the least common denominator. In order to do that, you had to find the multiples, and you come up with 15 for how you do it. Now, 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 5 is 5. Now, you simply add the numerators. 5 plus 3 is 8. My denominator stays the same. Ask yourself the two questions. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes, it is. 1 is the only common factor. All right. Last review. Adding mixed numbers. Pause the video, solve that problem. 1 7/12 plus 2 3/8. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. All right. You had to find the least common denominator. In this case, it would have been 24. let's review that real quick so you will not forget how to do it. 1 times 12 is 12. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 12 is 36. 3 times 8 is 24. Stop. There you go. That's how you do it. Finding the least common multiple, and it ends up being the least common denominator. All right. 12 times 2 is 24. So 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. Now this is addition. 14 plus 9 is 23. 24 is my denominator. It stays the same. My last step is to add all the whole numbers. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes. We didn't have to simplify these problems at all today. I ought to be ashamed of myself. There you have it. Now you get on to your assignment in Google Classroom. Get busy. How's that look?